It appears there isn't a single universally recognized BML 5G AI Pad tab, but rather a series of tablets under the BML AirPad or BML AirPab Tab branding, often marketed with similar high-end specifications. It's important to note that these tablets are frequently seen on online marketplaces and may vary in exact specifications and quality, as some listings might feature generic Android tablets being branded as BML. Operating system, Android 13, or newer versions depending on the model. Display, 10.1-inch FHD, full high-definition, Incell screen, connectivity, 5G capable, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS. Processor, often described as octa-core or quad-core. Some listings mention Cortex-A7 or Snapdragon 870, but this can vary greatly and may not be consistent across all BML-branded tablets. RAM, often advertised with very high RAM, such as 8GB, 12GB, or even 16GB. Internal storage, ROM, frequently listed with large storage capacities like 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB. Some models also support expandable storage via microSD. Cameras, front camera, commonly 5MP or 8MP AI camera, rear camera, commonly 8MP or 20MP AI camera. Battery, varies, but often in the range of 3,800 mAh to 10,000 mAh. Some larger capacities like 1,200,000 mAh or 20,000 mAh are also mentioned for specific Pad Pro 5 models. Other features: dual SIM support for models with cellular connectivity, face recognition, gravity sensor, pre-installed apps like alarm, calendar, calculator, audio recorder, video recorder, etc. Often comes with accessories like keyboard and mouse. AI features typically refer to camera enhancements and potentially some smart software functions for organization or content creation. Those specific details on these AI capabilities are often limited. Notable models variants. BML AirPad 5, mentioned with 8GB RAM and 512GB storage. BML AirPad 5 Pro, advertised with 16GB RAM and 1 TB storage, Android 13, and a 10,000 mAh battery. BML AirPab Tab S10 Ultra, listed with 12GB RAM and 1 TB ROM, 10.1-inch 5GB and 6,000 mAh battery. BML AirPab Tab S10 Ultra, listed with 16GB RAM and 1 TB storage, Android 13, and a 6,000 mAh battery. BML Tab, model A02-A03, mentioned with 8GB RAM and 256GB ROM, 3,800 mAh battery. Generic branding. The BML branding seems to be applied to a range of tablets, some of which might be generic Android tablets with varying component quality. The high RAM and storage figures, 16GB RAM, 1 TB storage, are often seen on less expensive, unbranded tablets and may not always reflect actual performance or reliable storage. Processor details. The processors listed Cortex-A7, Snapdragon 870, can range significantly in performance. A Cortex-A7 is a very old and low-power CPU, while Snapdragon 870 is a much more capable